So I have just finished applying my day makeup look. This look took me about 15 minutes to create. It's very simple. I'm going to dress my hair properly and share with you my outfits, okay? So this is the view from this angle. I got myself a delicious meal. This is what I'll be having for dinner. So I've got this and this. Of course, delicious. Yeah, it's very awesome. Thanks for watching. This is my current favorite shower soap. This Vein White. It's good for taking care of your skin. So if you want to clear up acne and want to achieve a clearer skin, you can use this in your body. This is my current favorite shower gel. This is so nice. I like how it smells. So this is how it looks. Very nice. I love the packaging, the detailing on it. So in my previous video you must have seen me with this body lotion, body butter from the Body Shop. So I like to apply body oil. This helps to clear dark spots on my skin. So my skin is looking really nice and even now. So I tend to apply it on my face and my leg. So it's very nice. This body spray. In order to achieve a glowing skin, I like to apply this cocoa butter formula on my skin. So I have just changed into a very nice outfit. So I have been promoting this brand for many years. So I created a nice page on my website, that's me, in myfabulousbeauties.com, titled payment options. So you can actually pay me with a nice dress or several dresses or wristwatch or necklaces from Swarovski, or with an iPad for media marathon or telephone. So you can shop these items and post to my address. So please check out the payment option page. So if you're a brand such as Ted Baker, you can send me like 12 dresses equivalent to, you know, what I have done so far for your brand. And the same applies to other brands such as Amazon, Apple, Gucci, Prada, Ted Baker. And if you do want to be enlisted on my website, please contact me. So in my previous video you must have seen me with this body lotion, body butter from the Body Shop. So I like to apply body oil. This helps to clear dark spots on my skin. So my skin is looking really nice and even now. So I tend to apply it on my face and my leg. So it's very nice. This body spray. So I drank a bottle of water last night. I always like keeping myself hydrated and also listening to music. I love listening to Celine Dion, Adele in the morning. So I'm just going to look for music by Celine Dion or Adele, or even from other artists such as Maroon 5 or Ed Sheeran. So I found Adele. Just pops. Drop that. Oh, okay. Hi guys, this is the Maracay of Rotterdam. Here you can go shopping. You have Abidine, Maracay. You have so many awesome shops. You have Echoes, you have Sumo Eatery. It's very beautiful. You also have Citizen M at this building. You know, you have Stadium office, long building in front of me, and so many awesome shops. Rotterdam is a perfect place for so many beautiful hotels in Rotterdam. You have Intel's Hotel in Rotterdam and Intel's Hotel in Amsterdam. You have Grand Hotel Central Rotterdam. You have Hilton Hotel Rotterdam, Holiday Inn Hotel Rotterdam, and so many other hotels in Rotterdam. So you also have New York Hotel. So whenever you come to Rotterdam, you should visit these hotels and eateries. Hey guys, I'm going to share with you some of my current favorite beauty items in this video. I love the items from Kiko Milano. I also like the perfume, which you guys have seen in my previous video. I love shower items from Issy Paris in the Netherlands. So you have Issy Paris in the Netherlands and Issy Paris in Belgium. So Issy Paris is a very famous beauty shop in the Netherlands. So you have Issy Paris shop in Amsterdam, Issy Paris shop in Rotterdam, Issy Paris shop in Breda. We are actually in the beautiful city of Rotterdam. So you get to see these beauty items I enjoy, and I recommend for you guys, because it is important as a man and as a woman to wash yourself properly. You have to practice mouth hygiene. You have to practice self-care, use day and night cream and all that. So I thought, why not share with you these great beauty items? So enjoy. On this channel I also offer basic English language and Dutch lessons, which you guys get to see and listen to as well. Guys, I also like to use this Douglas spa for washing my body, so I'm going to wash my body properly, and I'm going to use this Hoover Care shampoo from Ethos. I'm going to use these, and afterwards I'm going to use my body lotion from Rituals and continue with this basic English language and Dutch lessons you guys like very much. Guys, check out this lovely outfit I got. So I'm going to apply makeup after. So guys, if you're a photo model living in the Netherlands or living in Paris or Belgium, a great way to find modeling gig is to have yourself registered on Model Mayhem. So Model Mayhem is a great website. You can find photographers in Paris on Model Mayhem, photographers in Belgium, photographers in New Jersey, New York, and simply virtually anywhere in the world. So there are most photographers are registered on Modern Mayhem. So Modern Mayhem is a great website. If you live in Germany, in cities such as Frankfurt, Berlin, you may want to register yourself with Model Katai. So Model Katai is a great modeling website for finding modeling gigs. So most photographers tend to advertise themselves on Model Mayhem and on Model Katai. They tend to state they are looking for models for several photo sections. So if you what I do as a web designer and inspire you guys to design, because website design is fun. So there are several platforms you can use for web design. You can use Wiz.com, you can use Squarespace, you can use WordPress. I use WordPress, so WordPress is pretty awesome and easy to use. So practice makes perfect. If you wish to improve your website design skills, you have to practice often, so you can use WordPress to practice. For some of you that wish to build web shops, you can use Shopify. So Shopify also provides opportunity for you to practice before payment on their website. So you have to create a Gmail account, Yahoo account, and be able to create a website on Shopify, so you can sell items on Shopify. So it's a kind of platform for e-commerce. WordPress also grants you that opportunity, which is known as WooCommerce. So web design is fun. I've been designing website for over a decade, and most of you appreciate my web design skills. So I have been working on several projects at the moment. I'm working on ekenepatience.org. That's me. So what is ekenepatience.org? Ekenepatience.org is a website I started working on like a few years ago. I tend to publish goods and services I've already published on blacknut.me on ekenepatience.org, so to create awareness, because I think I rank high on Google. So Google is a search engine that persons looking for goods and services, they tend to search on Google. So Google is pretty awesome. So whenever you search for some goods and services, you don't even have to search my name. You tend to find my website. For example, if you search for top home care companies Amsterdam, just search for these keywords, and without searching my name, Ekene Patience, you will come across my website. If you search for beauty consultants in the Netherlands, you'll find me. If you find, for example, if you search for some goods and services, for example, Cedar Oaks Laundry and Dry Cleaning Company, you will find me. Govy Amsterdam, you will find me. Govvi. If you search for there are so many goods and services out there. Even if you search for Trident Care Real Estate Company, is a goods and services listed on blacknut.me. Blacknut.me, you'll find me as well. So because people tend to find me without even searching my name, I decided to make sure that companies and promoting rank higher on Google. So I created ekenepatience.org, so that whenever people search for these terms and find ekenepatience.com, they will subsequently find Ekene Patience at all. Some of you are very curious, wish to know more about me, so you tend to search for that on Google. So that's the essence. So this video is all about search engine optimization, search engine advertising. So in order to rank higher on Google, in order to be very visible as a business, you need to practice advertising. So you can use Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Twitter, TikTok ads to rank higher on Google. So whenever you rank higher on Google, there is higher tendency that businesses are going to find you, and you will get more prosperity, you get more customers, and subsequently it will lead to more sales. So this video is all about search engine optimization, SEO, for especially SMEs. So what are SMEs? Small medium enterprises. Some of you are SMEs, so some persons working for Apple, Gucci, Prada, they also have their side hustle, like side business. Some of you like to maybe like an IT consultant. Guys, if you like this kind of content, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment and share. Do let me know what you like to see on my channel. So I'm promoting Apple, Gucci, Prada, Dior, Balmain, Hermes, Zara on blacknot.me, and on ekenepatience.com/fashion. I'm promoting the top-notch fashion brands and also shops where you can buy beautiful fashionable items such as Hermes, Balmain, the buying code for the Birmingham, Zara, Mango only. So these are fashionable brands and shops you can buy lovely items. Tommy Hilfiger, Chit-Chat. So I listed these brands on blacknot.me. I'm planning to promote more cool brands on blacknot.org. So if you guys know good brands that might be interesting for my followings on Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, you can let me know. You're highly welcome to do so. I'm also promoting some top-notch guys. I enjoy offering website design coaching, also business IT coaching. So if you wish to learn about how to improve your visibility online, how to become more visible online, how to be more social, how to be more active on social media, you can contact me, because social media is very important for businesses. So every business needs to have TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. It's time to apply eyeshadow. This is my current favorite eyeshadow from Douglas. So I'm just going to apply it. It has very pretty shades. So I'm going to share with you the eyeshadow shades. Ooh. So this is how it looks like. It's very, very pretty and very pigmented. So I'm just going to, apply this neutral shade, the brown neutral shade, and afterwards gold and pinkish color my eyelid. Guys, I'm going to do a little bit of ASMR with these items from Douglas for you guys. Do you guys like this sound? Is it soothing? Do you guys like ASMR? Do check out ekenepatience.com/beauty for more. You can watch Lazy ASMR video. Okay, I'm going to share with you more products. So this is another product from Douglas. So you can buy Douglas from Rotterdam, Central Amsterdam. You can shop it online. Douglas home spa. This is the packaging. I like this bag. Looks good. this reminds me of the evil song I composed a few months ago. I never sang it. Well, I got a pink one. I brought a pink bag. This is from Douglas, and I got a black one from Mr. Perry. Reminds me of this song. The bags looks a little bit like alright, and like, you know, yeah, never mind. Anyway, comforting body scrub. This is how it looks like. This is what I'm going to use to scrub my skin. So I'm just going to open it. So sometimes I just use my hands and open it. That's how it sits. It smells really good. It smells like home spa. It's got Douglas comforting body scrub. ASMR. Okay. Yes, this is the other item. It's called the Comforting Body Wash from Douglas. Guys, I'm going to share with you my items from Douglas. So I've got this Douglas spa. So you can use this to wash your body. Another item, Douglas home spa. So I really love the scent of these. It's very good. So after washing my body properly, I like to wear Guess perfume. But this I prefer to wear during the day hours. So during the daytime, I wear Guess perfume because it smells great. It's very subtle, highly recommended item. You can buy Guess perfume from several shops, you know. It's pretty easy to find the Guess perfume at Douglas shop, for instance. I'm going to share with you if you have never heard about Douglas shop. Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to share with you my outfit and I'm going to do chit chat. Today I'm wearing this lovely sweater. So this is the fitting and this is the fitting from behind. It's very, very pretty. And I like it, so it looks really nice and cute. So I'm going to change the scarf so you can style this outfit with another scarf, lovely scarf like this. So this is how this scarf looks like. So you can just wear it across your neck like this and you'll be good to go. Okay, so this is another way to style this fabulous outfit. Close up, look. Hello, good evening, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I get on ready during the evening hours. So I have had a very stressful day, so yeah, I've been traveling, so I thought why not share with you items I like to use to get on